Hello guys, I'm back with analysis for the DXY. We're looking at the dollar index chart. We'll be starting from a monthly time frame. So here we can see the monthly chart of DXY. We can see still market is in consolidation from this low to that high. We are trading inside the range. So inside we have downside objective this one, that is PC. And now weekly we have from this high to this low we have traded in the premium zone, the main threshold reaction. Now we are trading on the downside. Sell side we reached fair value gap, the daily time frame rejected and created this fair value gap. Filled this fair value gap, and now we'll look how price does. If it gets expanded here, then I'll be looking for the quick. This two consecutive up candles will become an order block, and they will try to short the market, taking out this relative equal lows. Also, this is low resistance different signatures in there, and so that's what we'll be doing. Now, this up candle we have just trading above this one, so this might be fitting the range, and the weekly. This is the weekly candle. This might be the open high. I don't know which side of the high it's gonna go. How much high it's gonna go, but I do think so that this, in the low time frames will get that price is going to, and if it does so, open high and then low, we can see below this candle and close somewhere here. So we're expecting bearish prices. The daily time frame, you can see this is an exposed range for the Friday, and price is just going to fill. So the range is in there. We are still respecting the fair value gap, and this is reacting because this low is being taken out by this one, so this becomes the high resistance return, so it's expanding, mitigating. It will retrace some little bit, I think so, and then we'll be looking for the lower prices again. This is the volume balances. Well, this volume balance is just premium end of this volume balance is also the fair value gaps premium end, so that's why I take in the volume balance, because the premium end is matching. Now let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour we can see we have traded consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, merging with the balance prices level also after taking out the sell stops. So now let's the next round liquidates. The reason why it's taking out the sell stops and merging with the balance price level, it surely indicates that it's going to retrace. It doesn't give us any kind of sign that it's going to retrace or reverse. So we'll be looking for the lower time frames. What we say, we'll see the lower time frames signs indication that it's going to reverse or retrace. I do think that taken out the sell stop. It has right resistance like signatures in that. That's where it's gonna retrace. But it hasn't given us any kind of sign that it's retrace a reverse. So we're looking in the lower time frames what it does. So I do think if price be really bearish, I don't think it's gonna go above this high. I mean, the shock rated in here. I mean, first just gonna the sun side, then the buy side, and then again the sell side. So what it's doing, the CBBC is created or redelivered rebalance. It first has delivered downside, then redelivered, and then rebalance. So this area is, I think, not gonna be traded. काहे लूंगा रे? हैं? Some of the people in my house are trying to disturb me. Now, we've taken out the buy stops, breaking market structure, long term, very rebalance. Now, we are just trading around 12 o'clock. That you guys usually know what that is. Of course, I'm talking about that only. So, we can clearly see that what it does for the day. And really gets done that like that. We're also having favorable gap in here. This one, those might be active. I don't know, it will, but it can. It can does so, and if it does so, we're just looking at the lower prices in here. Obviously, I told you that this is gonna be a BPL level entry, so just merging with the CB might be acted as an resistance in here, merging with the redelivered rebalance concept. Now, 15-minute time frame, and we can see the fair value gap in here. The whip shock rated in here that indicates that price does not want to. I mean, it has not, but it it does shows that it doesn't want to. It does show that the price can resist here from going higher. I don't know it will or not, but it can. In the lower time frame also, you can see now. Let's see what's happening in the lower time frames. Well, first of all, let me mark the level. I think I forgot to mark the levels. So in the daily, we can see this level is just like this one forever. Yeah, I wanted to mark this fair value gap. In the 2 hour time frame, you can see that this area, which I'm marking, is merging with the BPR. So That might be something we wanna point out. Okay, this is the favorable gap. It's really true. Now it come back and act doesn't very expensive. So we'll be basically just looking for the signs and prepare so that if it does so, then we'll be looking to raise the price in here. The marking is being done and we are just here. Website is here. We're looking for the price to reach there, not on this, reach the at least the lower end of this marked line and the lower time frames. You can see these price actions. Now coming into Euro USD, the Euro USD monthly chart Euro USD. We can see order block. Now this becomes the proportion block. Just get straight through APR level, balance price range. Now this area we have already reached the balance pricing levels. So I'm removing that. We have CB. Well, I don't want to see this range um, to be as it is, like an exposed range. I want to see. I don't want this completely fill and come to this scan. Just like we expected in the dollar, relative equal highs above. This line represents the liquidity. That is, let me show you in the weekly time frame. We can see a volume imbalance. That's why this is the daily. The next objective is the, let me say, is the, of course, rejection block. Yeah. Upside and downside, you can see consecutive round candle forever. We have not taken up this high. We made relative equal highs. That's the engineering of the liquidity. And we are just trading below, coming down, and this is the favorable gap. Here is also a whipsaw created in here. So I don't want to see this candle slow to be declared. Um, no, hold on a second. Let me keep my eyes on the chart and to identify some other things. This this high, the wick, this has taken out this high, and we have taken out the sell stop. So this consequent encroachment of the wick is merging with this one. So high, I mean low, high, lower, low, and now high. There's a breaker in here, so that's why I told you the consequent encroachment of this wick. This area for me to look at the point of interest for buying because I want to see bullish prices. The euro, and this is the area for the reverse balance. And okay, now let me mark this one. Consequent encroachment. Now dropping down in the lower time frame 15 minute and um, just I mean activating the yeah, you can say activating the indicator. Now indicator, yeah, it's kind of shows like the range in here. So mission range, we have favorite. Looking for this area. Now I don't know it will reach here or not, but I do think that price should let's respect this institutional group and reach somewhere here. And if it does so, it can reach in this level because this is an old high also. So we'll be looking if price does so. Now 15-minute time frame, GP USD monthly. We are still having exposed range. We can mark that. This is our buy side objective. The CB premium end. Look, order block. Inside this one and we rejected. So basically, we'll be looking to fill out the range. And now, um, mm, created the equal highs, just a little bit above taken out the buy side. That's the engineering of the liquidity. On side, we are having order block. This whole candle. Sure about. Let's mark this one also right. Daily, oops, daily order block, and this should be on the right side. Now you can see this breaker in here. Also, this is the daily bullish order block, and this is the breaker here. That's now this area in here. This consecutive of candles, price can reach here, and limit if it does so. It can reach here, but this is the first high end resistance. Also, this is a consolidation area, so that might be. Also, we are having this before candle, so that does also indicate that it can. If it does so, it has found the liquidity on the downside. So if it comes back, I want to see it just remain intact in here, and then we'll be looking for the push price. You can see that this just whole lot it just looks foolishness. Let's have a look at the Euro CVP, what's doing the weekly. We fell the downside protecting this what it is out of luck. Well, we have already discussed the body candles inside this one. This candle inside this one, so it's not a block. We checked it because it is up candles. Not a block. We just read through the like some resistance near daily. Just doing what it's wanted. Whatever looks like the price still wants to go bearish, but we have got a sign here. If this high also gets straight through by this one, then there will be a shift in market structure. Okay, so this is what it was for today. Now, a quick analysis for the gold and on candle. I want to see what supports the price, and this we have reached the liquidity point here. So if this down close candles gets through, well, we have also very little down close. So we know that gold a little bit moves differently. So well, if dollar is bearish, then I do want to see this one bullish. But, we'll have to look at some of the other things also. Now the 4 hour time frame. Well, let's have a look in the daily. So this is what we are seeing, and I don't want to see this. Let me mark this. I want to see this fair value gap to be filled. That's what I'm targeting for the buy side. This is the 4 hour. This is the exposed range. We have a big shock rated in here. So the rule applies for everyone. I don't want to see the low end. I'm just candle slow to evaluate it. Yeah. I want to see price is somewhere here and then we'll make an expansion. And this is what it is for today. I'll come back again tomorrow. Until then, wish you good luck for trading. See you tomorrow.